Modern vehicle electronics are delicate. Care for them correctly and safely with WD-40 Specialist Automotive Electronic Cleaner. This electronic cleaner has been engineered by WD-40 to specifically strip oil, dirt, flux residue and condensation from sensitive electronics and equipment. It's a fast-acting, fast-drying and, importantly, non-conductive cleaner, safe for use on metals, most rubber and plastic. Use it on battery terminals, relays, plugs, circuit boards, switches, fuses, distributors and more. Before cleaning an item, ensure the power is off and disconnected, and hot surfaces have been allowed to cool. Shake the can well, then spray directly onto the item to be cleaned. If possible, tilt the surface to drain excess cleaner, then allow the item to air dry completely. Finally, vent the system in fresh air before restoring power. For sensitive electronics, grab electronic cleaner from the WD-40 Specialist Automotive range.